Brawl Stars on PC. Download and installation tutorial. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to download Brawl Stars on PC. Number 1. Install an Android emulator. Since Brawl Stars is primarily designed for mobile devices, you will need to use an Android emulator to run it on your PC. Some popular emulators include BlueStacks, NoxPlayer, and LDPlayer. Go to the website of your chosen emulator and download the installer. Number 2. Run the installer. Once the installer is downloaded, run it on your PC. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the emulator. This may take a few minutes depending on your PC's performance. Number 3. Launch the emulator. After the installation is complete, launch the emulator from your desktop or start menu. The emulator will boot up, just like a new Android device. Number 4. Sign in with Google account. Similar to setting up a new Android device, you will need to sign in with your Google account to access the Google Play Store. If you don't have one, you can create a new account. Number 5. Access Google Play Store. Once you are signed in, locate the Google Play Store icon within the emulator and open it. Number 6. Search for Brawl Stars. Use the search bar within the Google Play Store to search for Brawl Stars. It should be the first result. Click on it to open the apps page. Number 7. Install Brawl Stars. On the apps page, click on the install button. The download and installation process will begin. This may take some time depending on your internet speed. Number 8. Launch Brawl Stars. Once the installation is complete, you can either click on the open button from the Google Play Store or find the Brawl Stars icon on the emulator's home screen. Click on it to launch the game. 9. Start playing. After signing in, you are all set to start playing Brawl Stars on your PC. You can use your mouse and keyboard to control the game, or you can connect a controller if you prefer. That's it! You have successfully downloaded Brawl Stars on your PC and can now enjoy playing the game. As the sun sets on another adventure-filled video, let us take a moment to bask in the warmth of gratitude and magic that we have shared together. Thank you for joining me on this journey, for your unwavering support, and for being a part of this incredible community. As we bid farewell to this chapter, let us remember that the magic we have experienced doesn't end here. It lingers in the echoes of laughter, sparkle of imagination, and the bonds we have forged along the way. In the words of Walt Disney, all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. So let us carry this courage with us as we step into tomorrow, knowing that each new day holds the promise of endless possibilities. May your days be filled with joy, your heart with love, and your spirit with endless wonder. Until we meet again, remember to keep dreaming, keep believing, and keep spreading kindness wherever you go, with heartfelt gratitude and a sprinkle of magic.